Hey everybody, my name is Tony and this is my channel, Noir Honey Naturals. Today I'm going to be doing a lace wig tutorial. This is for beginners. This is not going to be any extra stuff, and it's going to be featuring a beginner's lace melt. The unit in this video is brought to you by Jaja Hair or Jaja Hair. Sorry if I mispronounced that. This video is not sponsored, and all the products including this gorgeous unit were purchased by me. The stats on this unit include 4 combs in the front and back and both sides, and also includes an adjustable band. The unit came with a pre-plucked hairline and lightly bleached knots. The density on this wig is 130% in medium brown Swiss lace. Even though this unit came with lightly bleached knots, you can still see them a little bit, so you can bleach them if you want to, or you can use a concealer or makeup that matches your skin tone, or you can also use this knot healer that I purchased from another company, and I can also put the link below to where I purchased the knot healer. And basically you just apply this to the lace so they can match your skin. So this is what the unit looks like on before I cut the lace. Right here I'm just measuring where my ear tabs are going to be at, and like I said, I'm a beginner at this, so this process right here has always been a struggle for me, but I'm going to go ahead and do this for you guys on camera. And so you just basically part with your finger or a comb right where your ear is, and then you just cut right on that part. You are going to lose a little bit of hair, but that's okay. And you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So I did cut my lace off camera because, once again, I'm a beginner at this. I'm not a pro, and I'm not really good at cutting the lace on camera, and I didn't want to mess it up. Right here I'm just showing you that with this 13x4 parting space, you can achieve multiple looks: a deep side part, a middle part, a mid side part. You can add braids or twists to this, anything. This wig is very versatile. So after you choose where you want your part, you just want to kind of clean it up and define it. You can pluck a few hairs from the part to customize it to your liking, but I actually like my parts to look like this, and then I don't want to mess it up by plucking. And right here I'm just customizing it a little bit more around the front hairline. And when it comes to flat ironing this hair, it was so easy breezy. This hair is so silky and light, and the density is perfect. So yeah, this is just a slow-mo. Look at that hair. The quality on this unit is gorgeous. So right here I'm just using some alcohol to prep the area before I lay down my glue. You don't have to use glue. You can use gel, you can use Got to Be Glued, you can use the Got to Be Glued spray, but right now I'm using a lace wig adhesive, and I'll put the link to the one that I'm using. I can't remember the name of it right now, but basically right here I'm showing you that you need to make sure that it is all the way clear before you try to apply it. And before you apply it, you just need to brush back your flyaways so they don't get stuck in the glue, and you're ready to apply the lace. In hindsight, I probably should have applied the lace like a centimeter back, because as you'll see throughout the rest of the video, the very front of it is still lifting left. You're going to use a comb or the back of your edge comb and just press down that lace, and you're going to go in sections. So right here I've just started going in sections down the side, and then you're going to repeat the same process as on the other side. Remember to make sure that the glue is clear and tacky. So all the white needs to be gone away before you apply the lace. So as you're going through there, just use the back of your comb to press down the lace. Make sure not to use your fingertips because the oils from your fingers are gonna leave a white residue, excuse me. So then you use a scarf or a nylon, anything with some elastic in it, and tie it down for like 15 or 20 minutes while you're doing something else, or overnight. And as you can see, I shouldn't have used that knot healer because it made the lace a little bit too light for my skin. It probably was perfect just using it right out the box. So I just used some powder to kind of try and melt that lace. And initially I was going to do this unit without baby hairs, but because I over lightened the lace, I'm going to add a few baby hairs, nothing too extreme. Just something light and wispy, just to kind of make this look a little bit more natural. So you just part some out and you cut them. And I like to do my baby hairs. I used to do them with gel, but I like to do them now with some mousse because they just look more natural. And instead of just holding them in place, it actually molds the baby hair to go in that direction, so it's easier like to make baby hair the next day and stuff like that. So I'll just do the exact same thing on the other side. You know, and when you're doing your baby hairs, try as much as possible to do less. Less is more. You don't want like big, thick baby. And that's it. You go through it with a flat iron, excuse me, and just clean up everything. Use a bristle brush if you need to. And this unit didn't come cut, so you can leave it like it is if you like that more tapered, natural look, or you can go in and cut it to have a blunt cut bob, or you can do the steps in this video and then go to a stylist and let them cut it. Right here, I'm kind of just playing in the hair and showing you some different stuff that you can do with the hair. You can add some twists, some braids. So yeah, if you've made it to the end of this video, I just want to thank you for the support. And I would also like to thank Jaja Hair for making a quality unit at an affordable price. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to purchase this unit or any of the products used in this video, check out the description box below. Thanks for watching.